Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel where magical adventures meet the world of learning English. Here, we take you on fun journeys filled with stories that not only capture your heart, but also help you improve your language skills in an enjoyable way. Today, we invite you to a small village surrounded by green hills and peaceful valleys, home to the magical ColorTree. This tree is no ordinary tree. It changes its color every day, bringing surprises and joy to the villagers. But what happens when the tree loses its magic and turns gray? Join us as we discover how Tim and the villagers bring happiness back to the tree.
Once upon a time, in a quiet little village nestled among rolling green hills, stood a tree like no other. The villagers called it the ColorTree, and for good reason. Its leaves changed color every single day. On Monday, it might be orange like the setting sun, and by Tuesday, bright blue like the sky. No one could predict what color the tree would become next, and that's what made it so special. The ColorTree brought joy to everyone in the village. Children played beneath its ever-changing canopy, and even the busiest grown-ups paused each morning to marvel at its wonder. But while everyone admired the tree, no one truly understood the magic that kept it alive, until an inquisitive boy named Tim came along. One sunny morning, Tim skipped through the hills to visit the ColorTree. That day, it shimmered in a golden yellow hue, its leaves as soft as velvet. "Wow," Tim whispered, running his fingers through the warm, glowing leaves. "This must be the happiest tree in the world." The next day, drawn by curiosity, Tim returned. The tree had changed again, this time to a brilliant shade of blue. Birds perched on its branches, their feathers reflecting its glow. "This is even better than yesterday," Tim said, grinning from ear to ear. Day after day, Tim visited, and the tree continued to delight him. Red, green, purple, every morning was a new surprise. Then, one day, something unexpected happened. When Tim arrived, the tree wasn't colorful at all. Its leaves were dull and gray, and it looked drooped and lifeless. The boy's heart sank. "What happened? Why isn't it happy today?" he wondered aloud. Just then, an old man from the village appeared, leaning on his cane. "The ColorTree is magical, but it has a heart like you and me," the man explained. "It feels what we give it. If it doesn't feel love, care, or kindness, it loses its magic." Tim's eyes widened. "So, it needs us to take care of it?" Tim asked, his voice full of newfound understanding. The old man nodded. "Yes. Talking to it, watering it, even singing to it. These small things bring it life." Tim rushed back to the village, shouting to everyone, "The tree needs our help!" The villagers, who had grown so used to enjoying the ColorTree, realized they had never given anything back. So that day, they came together to shower the tree with care. They brought buckets of water, sang cheerful songs under its branches, and even told it stories as if it could listen. Slowly but surely, a faint glow returned to the tree's leaves. The gray faded, replaced by a soft golden sheen. Then the leaves sparkled with every color at once, a dazzling rainbow that lit up the entire village. The villagers cheered, and Tim beamed with pride. From that moment on, the villagers made a promise. They would never take the ColorTree's magic for granted again. Every day, someone would stop to water it, speak to it, or simply sit beneath its branches to keep it company. The ColorTree never lost its magic again, and in turn, it continued to surprise the village with its marvelous colors, each day more beautiful than the last. And so, in that little village surrounded by hills, life blossomed in harmony, proving that even magic thrives best when it's nurtured with love.
If you enjoyed this story and would like more magical tales that make learning English easier and fun, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Join our community to explore new and exciting adventures with every episode.